Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this very lazy, voluminous hair. These curls, very bombshell-esque. If you guys wanna see how I did this, then please continue to watch. And if you wanna see how we achieved this makeup look, then also go ahead and click on this card or over here that I'll have, or in the description box, I'll have the makeup look linked as well. Let's go ahead and hop straight into this. Guys, so we are here in my bathroom and we're trying to figure out what to do with this hair real quick. My hair is mostly straight, I would say. I don't really know what I want to do fully, but I love to throw some curls in. A really quick whatever kind of curl to my hair. Oh, sorry, hold on. How I do like a cute little whatever curl to my hair. So first things first, I love my beach waver. Let me show you guys. So this is the beach waver. This is the beach waver B1 that I use. This is how big the clamp is. I got hair on it. Hold on. I got a lot of hair on it, but this is how small the clamp is. And this thing gets hot. Hold on. Go ahead and cut that on. This thing gets super hot. I like to cut it all the way up to the third light. As y'all can see that flashing right there. And this is just my preference. I personally think that this is really a really good hot tool, and I just love me like a big curl. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna section the front of my hair into 4 parts. I'm gonna curl the top first, so let's do the top first. I'm just using one of these little brushes. This came out of a set thing at Walmart, and it's just like a little whatever kind of brush. This does get hot, so I should be good to curl a big section. So what you want to do is clamp it in, and if you got layers like me, I got light layers, but still, you know what I mean, you want to roll the hair up. And this is really good if somebody has arthritis or something like that and they want to still be able to curl their hair, or you just find it's hideous and annoying, and if your hair can fit into the clip, it's good. I really would like if they had one that has a slightly bigger clamp on it. Maybe I need to look into that. But, and this thing get hot, so the curls, they be good. I leave this on, I count to 45 seconds, and then I'll take it off. So let me start counting my head. And then what I like to do is I put my hand onto where the little ball at the top is. And the good thing is this does not get hot on the top. I have curlers that part still gets really hot, and I don't like that. So I catch the curl like that, and then you could use whatever clamps you want to use. I'm just going to use these. These are from some roller, like a roller set that I have. But you want something that doesn't necessarily have teeth in it to where it'll catch and make it hard for you to take the curl out. Let me try it a different way. Hold on. Cool. And then I like to use a good hairspray. This is a Sebastian hairspray. I got this thing on clearance for $5. This is at TJ Maxx. Some of the best hairspray ever. My mom was a hairstylist, so I definitely got it from her. And I just stick with it. I have tons of different hairsprays though that work for different things. This here, I don't like to use this on my whole head. I've had this spray bottle for years. This is Swarovski Got to Be spray. I don't even know if they make this one anymore, but I think I bought it one day. Child, it could have been a CVS or something. I really needed a hairspray. I bought this. I love to use it on my edges. If I need them to hold, and I don't mind if they're laying down, cool. So the top curl I did over, this one I'm doing under. The reason why I like to do my curls in different directions is because I don't like if the curls all clump in together. You know what I mean? You want to be able to have some type of separation, especially if you like for your hair to have volume. And me, I like for my hair to have volume. So I'm going to do it like this on both sides. I feel like the makeup is eating today. I probably drug that liner out further than this eye though. I might want to fix it, but I might not. So either way, it doesn't matter. But the lips actually look so good. It should be good. We're gonna go ahead, release, and catch the curl. And I love doing girly stuff. I love getting ready, honey. It'd be one of my favorite things to do when I'm traveling. I don't even know why. It just is. It's just something about that. And then it's like you wait so long to become an adult, and then when you finally become one, you hold on, because now I'm about to be one of these the rest of my life. But it's like sometimes I get up or I'm just sitting around and I'm like, oh my god, I'm literally an adult. I'm really living in the moments that I looked forward to when I was a kid. And it's just like, ooh, but adulthood is ghetto, girl. Adulthood is ghetto. Why am I trying to put the curler on my hair with my non-dominant hand? Ooh, try not to press them buttons, y'all. Be careful. The only part that's rotating is the actual curler. Hold on. Any little short pieces you have or layers, make sure it's in there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rip up the front and then I'll come back. The back, I don't do too much. I literally will put the curl at the very bottom of my hair. Like, I don't really care about that. But sometimes I'll put my hair in a ponytail and put 2 curls in a ponytail, and that works too. So I'll be right back. Guys, so we have all the curls in. This is what the back is looking like. Crazy, probably. Just sloppy back curls. It don't matter. We're gonna go ahead and spray. Do it all over spray. Ooh, baby. This my good spray is running out right now. That's enough. We don't need too much. So we're gonna leave this in. It's 11:33 a.m. I'm gonna leave this in for 15-20 minutes because I gotta leave at 12. So we're gonna let these sit in my hair. And I'm gonna put on some earrings because a lady wants to have in some earrings. I really want some smaller earrings, child. So I need to go get some. But so this is where we're at so far. I want to make an iced latte, but I feel like I might get some coffee while I'm out. But that's not certain, so especially not before I hit the road. Before we hit the road, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a latte real quick right now, and then sip on that. Maybe walk my dog again, and then I'll come back to show you guys like me taking it down and the fully finished product. Guys, so we are back. It's been more than 10 minutes, but I gotta start getting myself together because the curls are still a little warm. But I'm just gonna drop them and then not mess with them. I gotta leave the back for like a few more minutes. Let's just drop these. They're still warm. So let's just leave them dropped, and then I'll come back in less than 5 more minutes. Just giving it a second because these are still really warm curls. But I do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna go find some pants that look good with what I have on, and we'll go from there. I think I'm gonna wear a cowgirl hat, some cowgirl boots. So guys, so I've given it an extra 10 minutes to just set. So what I like to do, and I should have waited to put my earrings in, but I'm gonna flip my head forward and shake through and rake through it with my fingers. So flip the head over, and then we're just going to rake through the curls with our fingers, and then flip it back. And then this is my lazy, voluminous curls. This is it, that's all. Hopefully you guys liked it and you enjoyed this little bitty tutorial or whatever, but this is the hair. I was gonna put a hat on, but I don't think I will now because I don't want it to mess up the top of my hair, and then I get really iffy when it comes to hats. So just in case I don't like the way the hat is fitting anymore. All right, so that's that, guys. Again, this is the final hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see from me next time.